Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell and the select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. In today's video, I will be sharing a DIY wall art that I was inspired to create when I watched Shenell of Angelic Interior Designs create this wall art as well. She shared this with us in her video of DIY hallway makeover, and also in another video where there was a collaboration that she was a part of where they created DIYs, and the title of the video was Looks for Less. Here are some pictures that I found online, and the stone that she stated was called agate stone. That was a table. These are some agate stone coasters, and I had items at home. This didn't cost me anything, so I used what I had at home, and I commented in her video and told her that I absolutely loved what she created and told her that I was going to copy it. So she said go for it. So if you'd like to see how I put mine together, then just keep watching. Now let's get started. Now I'm showing this plant because the art pieces that are coming up, I used pieces of the leaves, or I cut some of the leaves and created my own art. This piece is what I'll be disassembling to create my agate stone art. Here are just some more arts that I did using the leaves off of that plant. And since this is just DIY wall art, I thought I'd just show you some that I made in the past. I didn't do videos on how I did this, but the process of how I'm putting this together is the same process that I used to put these together. Again, am using to recreate my version of what I saw one of my favorite YouTubers of Angelic interior design, Shenell. I have this frame that had an old picture in it and I got from Goodwill. It used to be like an oak wood color and I painted it white, and I created my own art using two small canvases, and then I cut some leaves off some fake plants that I used to have and put them behind the glass. And this was artwork that I created myself, and I had it in my hall bathroom. Oh, and I wanted to share one more thing. The reason why I'm using styrofoam, and you can see I had it on something already. The reason why I'm using this styrofoam instead of this that I got from the Dollar Tree is because this is harder and it's harder to cut. And this, it gives, and I can pull off to shape to make the rough edges. And as you saw when I was cutting it, it made its own rough edges. But this is very hard, and I just didn't want to take out the time to try to chisel around this. So that's why, and this is just styrofoam that came in a package that I ordered. And I always keep the styrofoams too because they're nice and tough, because I figured I can use them for something in the future. Okay, everyone, I have finally got done with this art that I was inspired by watching Shenell of Angelic Interior Designs, and here it is. It came out so good. Now the one thing that I do want to do is I want to make a mat for it. I have something temporarily that I'm going to do, and then later on I'll get the actual mat that I want. But I love the way it turned out, and I actually went back using the wax paper, and all I had to do was to attach the wax paper to the back of the frame instead of trying to insert the canvas inside, because it wouldn't fit all the way. And then when I was testing it out, I used the other styrofoam round pieces that I got from the Dollar Tree, which were a little thinner than this, and these just wouldn't go in, but this solution worked out perfectly. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off and redo it, because and I got it upside down, here it is, the hooks I stapled in, but I can pull this off. And I have some brown paper that is used on art pieces, you know, when they finish off a piece in the back. I'm going to put that on the back of this as well. But I just love the way it turned out. And Shenell, if you're watching, thank you so much for sharing that. I also saw another video, and I'll link both of those videos. She had one where she actually did another one of these in a brown frame, where she bought the frame and picture or art piece that was in it, or a little scrolling piece that was in it from the thrift store, and she remade it. And this was part of a collaboration, and this was before I actually came on YouTube. But I will link both of those DIYs that she did in my description box below, as well as her channel, so you can see some of the beautiful work that she does and different things that she does with thrifting objects. But I just love that this didn't cost me anything, because I had everything already. This frame used to be like a honey oak brown, and it had a piece of art in it that had pink flowers and other things, and I took that out and kept the frame, and basically showed you at the beginning of the video what I did with it, and I repurposed it. And again, this wax paper is the paper that came off the back of peel and stick wallpaper. I kept that. And again, these are just the styrofoam, so this cost me nothing. And again, I have an idea of what I'm going to do to mat it temporarily until I get the mat that I want. But I just love the way it came out. And I'm going to hang it and then come back to you to show you how it looks in its new home in my home. I wanted to show you all, this is the paper that I'm going to use. And I got this from, I think it was Michael's or Joann's a couple years ago, and I had a bunch of it. I'll share with you what I'm going to use to try to make a mat. Let me bring you closer to it. Okay, this is, and it's actually two together. And it came out of an old Dollar Tree mirror that I had years ago, and I kept it. It does have more of a traditional style because of the ornate style in it. I've already cut it in half, and it's actually two pieces. And when I put it together like this, it actually fits the inside of the frame. So I'm going to see if I like this for right now, and if not, then I'm just going to wait and get what I actually wanted. But I just wanted to show you all what I had in mind for my art piece. And here's a closer look at how it came out. I just love, and it looks actually like the rocks, or the she did say the name of it. Let me see if I can review the video, because I was actually watching the video and she said the name of these. Okay, yes, she says this was called, what she used was called an agate stone. So that's what this looks like. It's like a marble agate stone, but again, it's from styrofoam that came in a package, and I traced it using the Dollar Tree styrofoam and then chiseled it out. Not chiseled it, but the parts of the styrofoam just would flake off, and then it would give me that chiseled look. And I just love the way it turned out. Okay, so I still have the second one I need to do, and then I'm going to hang it in my haul and show you a final look. Thank you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.